Where do I start with helping my baby with movement lesson? Easy. First of all, you're going to post a couple of videos, but you need to listen to their Facebook Live reviews. I know I'm behind, guys. I'm doing the best I can. It is free, but please, please, please do Facebook Live reviews. Why? Because so many people think that their child is a diagnosis. Far from it. So many people think that my child needs to go to the next step without building a better foundation. Again, far from it. We always want the next steps, best things, when we maybe don't have the structure. Now, with me, I look at vision, I look at fine and gross motor skills. I do look at the diagnosis, but how do I look at it? I look at how that person organizes their movement. No different than I'm watching a football player, you know what I mean? Or if I'm watching a golfer, or watching someone with professional sports. And if you want to learn more about that, you know, Scott and I are doing a great podcast all about movement, where we talk about all these different aspects of what's going on in the sports world as well as our children. And so that's what you need to know. It's not about your child not getting it. Like this week, you know, and I get it every week, guys, and it's not a brag. Look what my kid's doing. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, they're doing this. Like, what the heck? Not everybody, first of all, has the luxury of coming here. Second of all, people don't have the faith maybe to come here, or they don't, you know, there's practitioners around the world. They don't know. That's fine. I always present this work that you can do it. But if I lose you, I lose your kid. So what's the secret? First of all, it's you. You've got to post some videos. You've got to listen to what I tell you. Just give me 2 months, even 2 weeks. Just listen to what I tell you to do. And you got to do it. You got to do it. You know, I get it all the time. Like, oh, my free cancellation was up. I really didn't do any videos, so I'm not going to continue the program. Your child didn't get any better. You know what I mean? Like, it's movement. This is about movement. This is about optimal movement. It's about functional movement. It's about your child's vision. It's about your child's future. I'm not here to get you to learn a movement lesson. That's training. That's becoming a practitioner. That's all of that. Today, it's just one video in tummy time. That's it. Just do a video. Just do one video. Do the same video all week. I don't care. But you have to be involved with their movement for something to happen. But to sit there and go, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. You know, all you're doing is not doing it. And I'm not here to beat you up. That's not the point. Right? Teresa knows. I'm here to give a different option for how you're going to work with your child. But it doesn't matter if they're special needs or not. I'm not here to prove your child's special needs. I'm here to prove that all kids can move better. You know, and that's what's important. So please post your videos. Even for, everybody thinks I'm about the babies. It's not about the babies. Post your videos about your 15-year-olds. Am I doing this video right? I'm not sure what to do here. I just reviewed some of those yesterday, right? You know, I don't know what to do for vision, and I have to do something now for someone with vision. Please, guys, but you've got to do and sometimes you're not going to see results right away. Oh, I did the tummy time course. It didn't work. I don't have tummy time course. Guys, if a simple course like tummy time is not working, your child's in trouble. And that's the child that needs to have the videos, because again, you know, you don't want your child getting scoliosis. You don't want the hips coming out. You don't want to do anything. And I know you're not thinking it's that drastic, and I'm not here to put worry in your head. I'm here to put solutions. Everybody else is going to tell you what's wrong with your child, but here at least you're going to know or have an avenue of how to work with it, and you can do it. But it's really simple. Post some videos, but you got to listen and then you got to do it. And you've just got to. And we're here for your success. That's why I'm doing these Facebook Lives 15,000 times a week. I have the largest library of working with the human body, and it'll continue to grow because I have to say the same thing over and over again. But I do it with love because I didn't have this when my son was going through it. All this was created because Graham didn't have it. And so it will continue to grow, it'll continue to create, and I'll continue to be there. But again, just post your videos. You shouldn't be here feeling lost whatsoever. Don't troll, don't say my kid's just like that. Post your videos up.